Are you coming to the street? It's round up a man. They say you are free. Strange things that happen to you. We met and live.
Are you ready for the vibe when the beat they enter and your body come alive? Are you ready to fly high when enjoyment time and our bodies come alive? Strange things they happen when the beat drop like this. Old memories start to drop like this. Stories of yesterday we forget like this. Make we no worry, just enjoy like this. Strange things they happen when club lights go low. Everybody for the dance floor start to go low. Polems way follow you, now them go slow. Tonight, not tonight, tomorrow we know. Are you ready for the vibe when the beat they enter and your body come alive? Are you ready to fly high when enjoyment time and our bodies come alive? Are you ready for the vibe when the beat they enter and your body come alive? Are you ready to fly high when enjoyment time and our bodies come alive? Are you feeling like a star when the beat they enter and your body come alive? Are you ready to enter? It's enjoyment time, I need you to come alive. Are you ready for Nairobi? Ready for Kisumu? Ready for Abuja? Yeah. Are you ready for dance floor? Ready for enjoyment? Ready for good time? Are you ready for the vibe when the beat they enter and your body come alive? Are you ready to fly high when enjoyment time our bodies come alive? Are you ready for the vibe when the beat they enter and your body come alive? Are you ready to fly high when enjoyment time our bodies come alive? Are you ready for enjoyment? Ready for enjoyment? Where? Are you ready to fly? Where? Are you? Our bodies come alive.
Jesus, please have mercy on me. Have mercy on me. Have mercy on my family. Mercy on me. I got the weight of the world on my back. Feet on the table, my balance is bad. Ain't got no key, but I fetch out the leads. Everyone's telling me I need help. I need help. I need help. I need help.
Yeah, I need help. Admitting that was the first step. Had to go out on my own, leave the bird's nest. Leap of faith, but my wings didn't work yet. Fell to the ground and the pain was the worst yet. Yeah, that's a lesson I ain't learned yet. Stripe I ain't earned yet. Gotta get knocked down twice so the third gon' hurt less. Got to the church steps, couldn't take the first step. I need help, I need some guidance, somebody controlling it. Got me a Bible, I took it right home with me. Put it right next to my bed and I said that I'd read it. The truth is I ain't even open it. If I'm being honest, I don't even pray. I need somebody to show me the way. I need somebody to tell me that nothing is wrong with me saying that I need help. And everything around me is falling to pieces. And I cannot even remember what pieces. Feel like I'm slipping right into the deep end. I'm looking for reasons. I needed help, I said it, what's step 2? Got me looking for the next move. Cause they keep saying that I could be rescued. The chains could be let loose, says who? Boxed it away, but the stress grew. Put a lock in a chain, but it crept through. Yeah, I got regrets too. Got a lot of things I could confess to. I put it in a letter, but I don't know who to send to. Pride talk, that's my ego. Thinking I'm my own God, yes I had a dethrone. Thought I had it in control till I hit a steep slope. Thought I had the tree of life, never let the seeds grow. All I needed was some hope. All along had it right next to my bed. Opened the book with my son and I read, in the hopes that one day that he doesn't feel shame when he says I need help. And everything around me is falling to pieces. And I cannot even remember what pieces. Feel like I'm slipping right into the deep end. I'm looking for reasons.
Jesus, please have mercy on me. Have mercy on me. Have
Ayy, tell them I'm built different. Got a problem, I deal with it. Count it up and I count again just to make sure not a bill missing. 2020 got good vision. In my lane on the road to riches. 12 years I put in work. They wondering how I'm still winning. Go tell them I'm built different. Run the game like I'm playing Madden. Call the plays, I'm the team captain. In the gym, got my reps up. I'm getting better, I'm still standing. Fake friends, they be praying on my downfall. Make me wanna go work harder, cause I won't ever let it happen. Everyone got their own story, I'm telling mine, reaching worldwide. Hoping some people can relate and keep working to a better life. I've been out here trying to motivate while they be giving out fake advice. I don't do this just to make a living, I do this shit just to stay alive. Yeah, I'm doing me, nothing be making me nervous. Nothing was given, I earned it, and this was unlucky, was certain. I bet on myself and I cashed out. Nobody making me crash out. I'm too determined, I keep on learning if they be wondering how. Tell them I'm built different. Got a problem, I deal with it. Count it up and I count again just to make sure not a bill missing. 2020 got good vision. In my lane on the road to riches. 12 years I put in work. They wondering how I'm still winning. Go tell them I'm built different. Veteran, but I'm still dropping. They used to hate, now they plea copping. I'm in the lab while they bar hopping. Got what I wanted, I'm not stopping. They see the work and their jaw dropping. I check the bank and I'm merely rocking. Not motivated by dollar signs, but at 9/11 my next option. Yeah, expensive taste from a young age. My life a journey, I turn a page to the next one. I'ma make it great. Had to build it from the ground up, so I'm proud of what I have attained. Championship mindset, I don't take L's, I elevate. Yeah, getting better on a daily. Never gon' see me complaining. The old me is not the same me, and nothing ever gon' faze me. Been to the peaks, I've been to the valleys, but I still made it out to the other side. They wondering how I kept my spirit high. Tell them I'm built different. Got a problem, I deal with it. Count it up and I count again just to make sure not a bill missing. 2020 got good vision. In my lane on the road to riches. 12 years I put in work. They wondering how I'm still winning. Go tell them I'm built different.
I was down but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no luck. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no luck. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spent in the dark, putting in good work even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no luck. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down but now I'm
Down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big, big, big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick, 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where
I was down but now I'm up, up. Let's go. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no luck. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down but now I'm up.
Yeah, they wanna know how to get like me. Dream so big that I cannot sleep. Put in that time and I put in that grind. I'm the best in the world, that's all I see. Never back down, I'm standing strong. They gonna talk, but they all been wrong. What they gonna say when I keep going up? What they gonna gon' do when I don't fall off? Look at my skills, look at my flaws. Never been perfect, I'm not a god, but I'm a GOAT. I've been the greatest whenever I spoke. Looking around and they doing the most. Whatever I touch, I turn it to gold. Tell them there's levels to be in the game. They wanna compete, but they not coming close. No, I'ma keep going again and again. Whatever I want, I'ma get. They gon' be saying they know I'm a friend of a friend. Whenever I become the best, I don't be spending my time on the internet. I just be living it out in the flesh. I don't need nothing to motivate me. Winners are never gon' wait for success. Yeah. Look at my neck, shining. Look at my bank, comments. Look at my wrist, AP. Who is the GOAT? I am. Look at my neck, shining. Look at my bank, comments. Look at my wrist, AP. Who is the GOAT? I am. Hey, got more money and I got more problems. All that I want is peace and quiet. They all been bothering me, so I gotta keep my phone on silent. No matter the outcome, already know that I always keep on trying. They wanna do business, but I gotta be a partner, not no client. I'm not like the rest, too damn smart and they still wanna test me. Move to the MIA and I'm running my team like Messi. Everyone good all around me, I'm giving out bands like candy. Not Halloween, but they still be fake, no wonder they don't understand me. I still got a long way to go, all that I do is for me, not for show. I don't like putting no pressure on me, but lately I needed it all just to grow. I had to step out of my comfort zone, give it some time and leave it alone. Now that I'm back and I'm ready for more, I'll give them a reason to call me to go. Yeah. Look at my neck, shining. Look at my bank, comments. Look at my wrist, AP. Who is the GOAT? I am. Look at my neck, shining. Look at my bank, comments. Look at my wrist, AP. Who is the GOAT? I am.
Uncle Demon, Nephew Demon, Legion, it's Uncle Demon.
Any boy put a foot and get shook. Me no care where you come from. Shook. Somebody else have to go up like hook. Let me walk to your place and shut out the face looking at your mother. God kill me, me no have no heart. Me evil done up my blood God look. But me first take her out, me work hard.
Eat them up, pick up every skeleton under the door. Box them a grand kill, love clap it up. Nah beg for no boy, man we no fall.
Walter rise the thing when I rust. The one where you sound like bomb when it bust.
Left fool in a boy, a big like cup.
Uncle
Any boy put a foot and get shook. Me no care where you come from. Shook. Somebody else have to go up like hook. Let me walk to your place and shut out the face looking at your mirror. God kill me, me no have no heart. Me evil done all my blood God look. And me first take her out, me work hard.
Man with no reflection. Me no left my protection. Boss boy, we a leader. Come in and start for your yes man. The legion, till it cook to perfection.
Left the whole place in a sorrow.
Ignore people emotion. Shook. Me no care where you come from. Shook. Somebody else have to go up like hook. When me walk to your place and shut out the face looking at your mirror. God kill me, me no have no heart. Me evil done all my blood God look. And me first take her out, me work hard.
You on mute?
Me no care where you come from. Somebody else have to go up like hook. When me walk to
I should not be on mute. Can you guys hear me?
Now I can hear you.
Oh, all right. I've been talking this whole time. I was saying, what's the deal? What's up? How's everybody doing?
What's that?
Yeah, it's been a long day, long evening. I just got back from a parent-teacher conference, so I just needed a second to get back in the flow of things here.
Right on.
So, yeah, it was a lot of fun. It was pretty good. What is this shit? Tyler and someone committed suicide in the future stream? Well, that's wild. Damn.
I heard some people talking about that in the Discord. I didn't know. I don't know who that is. So
At one time, it was a common theme with stockbrokers. A long time ago. What are we doing here? All right. Let's see. Gold closed massively bullish. But here's the deal. Look at this candle. Look at the previous few candles. Look at the size of this candle. Slowing down. So maybe a bit less volume here on a daily, but we are bullish. The 4-hour is coming down. I think we got to find a support here. This is a good area on a 4-hour for a support. There's quite a bit to go here. It's 150 pips down from where we are. 1 hour. Alright, yeah. The ranges are just that big. So we are coming down here. Honestly, just because the ranges are this massive, I think I would rather take buys because the daily closed so massively bullish, but the 4 hours are bearish, and until then, it's going to keep coming down. I think this might be a buy at middle of London session. I want to see if we can get some sells down to support, because we've been coming down pretty heavy, and I know we're bullish on the daily. At some point, we should start filling this wick. But it's got to come off a support. And I really want buys from down here. Wait, let's see. Even this area, even if we can establish some kind of support here at 3601, I wouldn't mind taking buys. But for now, it's another 80 pips down. Yeah, we're so far away from here. That's going to be a buy limit if we ever get there. This is the perfect example of that buy limit. Stops probably below these wicks right here. It's going to be about a 38 pip stop there. Somewhere here. Alright, that's about a 38 pip stop. Buy limit off this. This is daily close bullish. Okay. Daily here. Yeah, I think this is going to be a good idea once it gets down there. First, we have to get down there. It'll be a good idea because it'll give us a chance to respect this current daily, not break the lows, and then continue up. And then we could have stops at the break of the lows of the daily here. That's a 36 pip stop for the daily. I might even do that. 36 pips. Well, I'm glad I got out of buys. Hold on a second, chat. All right. I don't even know if I like this level, this little 30 level. Not a big fan of it. Okay. Cleanest range, probably below here. Boom. 7. Yeah, if we can get some closures below this area, I would not mind taking sells. We've been coming down. We have a lot of bearish momentum here. So, and I'm expecting this area to get tapped down here on the 4 hour to grab orders and respect the daily over there. So if we do start closing below here, I'll expect this range to fill before we find a support and head back up. That would make sense on the daily. But if we start holding support here and start pushing up here, obviously above this area, also clean range up to 36.39. I think that's the fill of the daily wick. I wouldn't mind that either. There's just so much that could happen here. Right? We've rejected off a plate. Like, we don't know what's here, right? All-time highs. We have no idea what kind of orders are here. We don't know if this is a rejection to heavily drive down. Now, we've never been here. We don't have any precedent. There's no historical price data here. It's the only time we've been here. All we know is this is a range we're gonna have to fill at some point. And if we find a support, I'm down to fill it. I'm expecting that support to be here off the 4-hour. Maybe the overall just better idea not to even look for a sell here, because you pretty much know the daily's got to come up here. Highly likely. Now, Q. Kind of sucked after the New York session. Daily closed bullish, 4-hour. Bullish coming up here, strong resistance. It's 100 pips of range, some clean range here. It's not bad. Technically, this is the level. This isn't bad. Every time frame's in your direction here. I think I want to bottom wick here to this level. 45.22. It's gonna push here. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm just unaware of how Nas moves right now, or in this area. This looks like a good position for gold, but I would just want a bit of a steeper wick probably to this area. Even maybe on gold I might have taken this, just understanding that we're bullish, but damn, that popped real quick. Nas moves nasty. Yeah, this was like, but you got to catch the volume candle. Like, if you're catching it at the right time, like, it's not going to take you to drawdown. Look at that. That's 80 pips there. That's 40 pips for us instantly. 40 pips of profit. I hesitated. I'm just not aware exactly how Nas moves here. I wanted to be extra confident, which means re-break the low and then we take re-break at a high. But like, it'll take me to some time watching this to actually get a little more confident in it. It's only third day we're actually trading it. Gold, like, this would have been very simple. I just figured I'd give it a chance to come down here. But very nice, very nice. This is good. This is good for an L, for learning. I'm just gonna fill the range here. Same first thing I saw was the 5-minute no top wick. I looked at it, but I don't think that matters much here. And like, here's what I saw. I saw the daily bullish, filling the wick, the 4-hour bullish break in the previous 4, right? The 1 hour, like, look at this massive candle just pushing. 30s pushing. We're breaking these highs. 15 closed above. Like, every time frame here told you that. I don't know. I hesitated. I was afraid of a bit of a steeper wick. And a steeper wick here is, you know, do 100 pips. But I think we could have been, if you think about it, you could have just said, all right, this is 42, so that's a 21 pip stop. You can risk 21 here because there's massive upside. It's all right. I mean, as I get better at understanding how it moves, that'll be something we're a part of. All right, holding this area for now. Nice, nice. Yeah, but out of the 5 I saw later, and I was like, I'm looking at it, and I'm like, yeah, that's not really an excuse here to not get in the trade. The 5, it's really, for me, it was more of like just a bit of a steeper pullback, but I guess you don't need one. Look at this blast off on this candle, right? You see a heavy candle, typically it'll be followed by another heavy candle. What's up, man? Turn on lighter. Come on, Benjamin. Wipe your feet. Wow, what a good move, man. The nuances of trading a new pair. You know, at one point when I just started, I traded NQ for a little bit, but at that point I traded every pair. Oh, Benny. Alrighty. Let's see.
Yeah, it seems like it fills ranges pretty quick, that's for sure.
Yeah, well, I was watching it over the weekend, and it tends to wick out a lot. It's like, it's a fake out happy pair or chart. So it's just nice because it pushes it. Like, these wicks are enough, right? Even if it comes all the way back down in range, this was enough. This was 90 pips off one push. I mean, yeah, we would have closed that resistance here, 80, 90 pips, whatever it is. But I don't know, just not knowing enough about it. Like, look great, just don't know enough about it. It'll take me time. $30's flipping here. I don't know.
house, in the interview room, I don't know. How many gal in the room, I don't know. Is that your gal in my coupe, I don't know.
Got a 15 level here, right? You closed below it. Now you're gonna fake out, which means the 30 will close bullish. No, I don't mind taking these 30 buys. Makes sense off the daily. It could lead us to the 4-hour flip because it doesn't have a top wick. If we close bullish here, it'll close above that 30 level here too. And it's faking out on the 15. Just need a top wick and close bullish above here. Then, I mean, I think that will be good to go. How much room is there here? There's about 28 pips, 26 pips before you got to worry about it coming back down. Not bad. I think this will be something that I would take. Yeah, this was a smacker. Daily's bullish, 4-hour bullish, 30. Which 4 hour is likely to flip here? One minute, 100 seconds. I want a bottom wick. And I want a top wick here. I want a top wick on this candle, and I want a bottom wick on the next candle. This is perfect the way it's 30's coming up here. Just need a top wick. Floating 82 pips in profit. Off the wick. Of gold, right? Not NAS. 45 seconds here. Maybe off this 4-hour level. You just tapped your level. Is that what it is? Let it come down a bit more. And we'll have buy stops.
Don't wanna leave her into the bedroom, let her know I need her. Yeah, she's telling me go deeper while the sun rising like a fever. She's like keep her, yeah, don't leave her. She's like keep her.
I don't know how much room we got here, but that would re-break the hourly high there. The 15 faked out here. The 30s closed bullish, back in range. Yeah, it would be current candle stops. I'm not going to risk more than current candle stops. It's already pretty heavy. Small stops, maybe 20 pips. But we have multiple time frames aligning, 28 pip stop, and heavy. There's got to be a lot of buy stops here for people to come up. Rebreak at a highs. Maybe the next hourly is better. Oh well, small stops. I don't want to miss it if it drives here. Either we push up, or we break the current candle lows and it's a 20 pip stop. And that'll be all she wrote for this attempt. GJ, how about no? No. I just don't think I'll get better than a 20, 25 pip stop here. Can we fucking drive one time without rejecting? Nope, reject. Yeah, I'm not going to hold past this. This comes down here, I'm not going to hold past this. I think we're about to hit stops. God, I still don't want sells on gold. Yeah, if it was going to drive, it would have just drove immediately. Wants to start pulling back. Fuck you. Fuck you. Yeah, we're gonna flip bear share. Come up, bitch. There we go. Motherfucker. Do we give it a second chance later? Yeah, if it does it again, I'll give it a second chance and probably double the risk. If it breaks the lows and then starts re-breaking highs, if it re-breaks the lows, I don't know how steep it's gonna go. Damn, I got caught in the same position. Less than a week ago. A week ago? Less than a week ago. I'm in. You in buys? Yeah, I really like the buys here. I just can't hold any steeper stop, and I think this can come down here. Just grab the orders for a lot of buyers, which I got caught in. I even thought about it for a second, but the thing is, I also talked myself into it by saying it's only a 20 pip stop, and I'm not going to see one here, so it's worth it. Because if it pushes up here, there's a heavy push for the daily, and you would have optimal entry here. But with this 5, it's halfway. It spent the first half making a top wick. The next half is probably going to come down. So there you go, stops it. But if it closes like this, right? This is the hourly closing at support. If it closes like this, you're also going to have a 30 seller replay. So in 20 minutes, if it does the same thing and then re-breaks highs, I'll go double on it. So that was a 4, probably open an 8 lot. Even if it starts to do that now, unless the 15 closes and then the 15's closing against you. Can you get off my shoe, please? Idiot. Right near the beach. Oh, don't start with the beach today. That was another headache today. You know how much sand I had to get out the car? I already gave it to him. You don't have to do it again. Alright, do it again. I might have a fat dog. You eat too much. Okay. Came down, closed below here. So we faked out, came up. If we come down close below this area, I'll look for sells. If we start respecting here, we're going to need obviously a closure below this most recent resistance to look for buys up. That makes sense right there. And that would also make sense because in 4 minutes, this candle will close bearish, creating a resistance. 15, 30, excuse me, 15, 30. So if we get a closure above here, I'll look for buys there. If we get a closure below here on the 15, I'll look for sells. And yeah, that's it for gold. And the only other buys I would look for is down here. God, I'm so annoyed because this shit's gonna drive now. Okay, so once the 15 closes, that becomes a level. All right, for now, as it closed, we're gonna come down here. Chat, did we give it a second chance? I think I'm gonna give this trade a second chance. 3 minutes. Yeah, if it starts re-breaking highs, I'll give it a second chance. The bullies will eat even after they're full. If this comes down and closes bearish here, then obviously I'll get rid of it. But if it keeps respecting this level, I'll keep it open. At some point, this daily's got to push. Maybe it does it on the next hourly, right, in 17 minutes.
I did everything I said I would and said it first. I mean, the world's in denial, but they all know what I'm headed for. We about to feed these youngins to the metaverse. Meanwhile, I'm over here just trying to pen a verse. Cause I'm done being extra with the extroverts. The label used to wonder how I'm supposed to stand next to Vert. Probably never thought that I would get these legs to work. I work hard, but hard
We'll eat when the sellers are full.
The world's mine, I just say fuck it.
Or the bulls will eat.
The girl's mine, I just say fuck it, have a turn. The goats call me to the side like, can we have a word?
This 4-hour doesn't have a top wick either, right? You'd figure it'd come up and grab orders.
I know I should be humble, but it's something I just haven't learned. Soon enough, I had to make these bad habits burn. Soon enough, we about to come and get the shit we earn. You're not a fan now, but I remember when you used to be fanned out. I guess when the whole world loves you, people only got one way to stand out. All that time in the kitchen finally panned out. I put some flavor in the pot and took the bland out. I know my
Maybe today is the drop before the drive up.
so I'm not gonna pull $100 grand out. I'm hip hop, do you fully understand? Fully automatic with the jams and
If we break these highs, we have a sell replay coming up here. I'm not too worried about this level. This was a resistance. This was a level right here. This was a support we drove off of, which we're above now.
everybody know Jack, but they don't know Jack, man. They just know I got the flows and the hoes and the packed out shows. Ain't too many cons when you playing with the pros, except for how your life get exposed. But I make that
Come on,
sacrifice
man.
for the life that I chose. I know in Toronto they got salt for the roads, but schools closed to Kentucky, so I like
Yo,
the kids carry chops.
why are you skipping? Stop.
School counselors all know how they life is at home. Cold like the Minnesota Vikings at home. Before I met Drizzy, I knew he and I would get along.
Fuck.
But it's hard to crack jokes when you really want advice. I mean, what's it
Yeah, if
like?
it closes below here, then I'll probably end up deleting. Well, we'll see right now.
Fucking right, young bachelor. What's a wife? Once in a
We'll see how the
lifetime,
next
so I
candle
say I
opens up
want it
then.
twice. One of a kind, know your
Because then it
everything is
doesn't
one
look
of
that great on the
mine.
hourly.
With my face, they know who I'm wanted by. Yeah. Yeah. Cold hearts and heated floors, no parental guidance, I just see divorce. Therapy sessions, I'm in the waiting room reading Forbes. Abandonment issues, I'm getting treated for. How much water can I fit under the bridge before it overflows? My son's gotta learn that forgiveness is a lonely road. The crib's on his wheel like motorhomes. Niggas love to try and test us like they know what we own. Chubbs got the magazine cover like Rolling Stone, cause we already know how they rock they throwing stones. Whenever you getting bigger, there's growing pains.
Need a bottom wick here. And then I'll move it back.
Making a mockery. I got my realtor out here playing Monopoly. How can I address you when you don't own property? They only finesse you when you don't move properly. Destined for the win, but you don't get a prize out of me. I'm destined for the top, but you can't get a rise out of me. 750 for the round canaries and they glittering. Man, you niggas drop trash, you littering. I'm over delivering.
Yeah, you drop trash and littering.
I mean the PTSD.
Yeah, if this can come down here and then re-break this high, 15 sell replay, 30 re-breaking its own high, the 1 hour re-breaking its own high. Like, this has a chance to pull up here. Just this candle needs to flip bearish so we don't have to worry about it. Here, go outside, bro. Go. Go.
I'm getting so rich, my music's not even relatable. I blow my head up, it's an inflatable. Baby blue G class, I feel like a kid again. Praying on my downfall, don't make you religious, man. All I hear is plug talk coming from middlemen. All I hear is tall tales coming from little men. When I say bitch, I'm very rarely referring to women. Most of the bitches I know are niggas, they not even women. I know that sounds like I'm being funny, I'm not even kidding. Same ones that say they run the game when they not even in it.
Here, hold it, hold it.
Y'all financial situation is my biggest motivation, and how you should take that statement is based on what you making. Whips and chains like a dominatrix. If I see, I spit in your faces. Daytonas with the green faces. Kentucky Derby races. My presence in the spot is so abrasive.
Yeah, this looks like this would look like an onion, except there's no range there. Alright, if this was the range like this would look like an onion. It's not. Give me a friggin' bottom wick. $30 would make sense, right? 1 hour. Yeah, I really don't like this 15. 12 minutes here for the hourly. This sucks. What's the stop here for the flip of this candle if it decides to flip? 23? Yeah. I can't do this shit with this candle. What I'd rather see is this come down and either flip immediately or wait on the hourly, let it close, and then bottom wick and then the rebreak of this hourly high. But it's going to have to close bullish. Either it closes bullish or it breaks the lows and drives up bullish now to rebreak previous 15 high. Either or. Come on, flip, goddammit. I mean, this isn't bad. If it closes like this, it's not bad. Oh, if it closes a little stronger, yeah. Because look at the hourly. I'm fine with this. See if we could take this up to the 4-hour flip. Oh yeah? Yeah, this shit might push. This sucks. This fucking no bottom wick sucks. Alright, we're gonna see a pop here. Fuck you. Fuck you. Yeah, until this 15 gets that freaking bottom wick, I'm not taking it. It can pop up here, it can do whatever. It's just, you don't want to have that in the back of your head. Oh shit, maybe it's gonna come back down and make that bottom wick. But if it pops up, then I'll look for the hourly. Had a chance. It came down here. Oh, it's a banger. All right, you know what? What do we have? 8 minutes here. Let's come back here in 8 minutes and see how this is closing. This might be all the way up there in 8 minutes to finish out this hourly. That's ugly. Funny that Micros has a small wick. Yeah, but think about it. The next hourly probably wants to come down as well, right? I wonder if this is to flip this 4-hour bullish. Man. 15. What is that? 5 pips? There it goes. Fucking annoyed. Yeah, we read that perfectly. Took us out and drove. Alright, see you later. This fucker's win. You got it. Got a fucking note here. If it doesn't form the way you want it, don't take it. Well, fuck you. Fuck you, note. You're wrong. Sometimes it's just worth the risk. Yeah. I would say this hour at least too late here. Let's see.
Good thing is there's always another opportunity.
Oh yeah, I'm so annoyed because this has been happening to me for like a couple of weeks. I'm like, okay, this just take me out. Sometimes I get the second chance because sometimes they'll come back down and make that wick and then go. Sometimes I won't, but it's like I've been too early on these. Just let it come up, get people in, but it's at the risk of losing that position, and I can't possibly hold that stop. I've been fucking twisting my head around it. It gets really annoying because, like, all right, like the last time it gave me the bottom wick, I re-entered and the same trade, and I just re-entered double, and it's fine. It paid me off. But there's no fucking bottom wick here, and I don't re-enter, and I mean, it's still doing the same thing price action wise, and it's kind of
Yeah.
like, fuck off. Like, this is exactly what we expected. You did it, and
Yeah.
this was a good push here. This is gonna take now a while. Yeah, I wouldn't take it from here because, like, depending on the next 1 hour bottom wick, strong candle, 150 pips. Daily about to flip. 4 hour about to flip. We got 2 minutes till the closure. Probably a serious amount of fucking buy stops right here for the daily. Bring back 100 pip stop loss. No, I can't. I'm risking too much per position. Grind's been slow, but shit like this just irritates me. Grind is good though because you always see steady growth. You don't see spikes and growth, just see very steady growth. But like I said, shit like this irritates you. You go like a few weeks being like, yo, like, fuck.
I'm curious from your perspective, that previous 30 candles since the bottom wick was so long, would you, I guess, consider that a big liquidity grab? And that might be one instance where you could say, okay, the 30 grabbed a lot of liquidity to the downside. Yeah, the 15.
We know it's gonna go up. I just don't want to have any kind of risk that's, you know, more than that candle. My job is to identify the volume when it comes in, and logically, I should have known that there's gonna be buy stops activated. We're gonna come back and grab orders. Like, it's been doing that. It's just something you notice, and it's in the way it acts. And sometimes you get caught in it. Sometimes, like, I don't know what it is. But like, this is the last 2 weeks. I've been that specific position. That's how you notice it. You get used to it. I mean, you get used to the fact of, all right, I'm gonna hold here on the break at a high because it's gonna come back to support, right? It was kind of mid-range here, so you recognize these areas. You know, 2020. Hindsight's always 2020. You recognize them after.
Yeah.
Especially. Yeah, look at that. The 4 hour flipped, broke the high, and reflipped bearish. So the daily here, flipped, broke the high, and reflipped bearish for a second. I wonder if it drives here. If there was good stops again, I'll take it. But you got to use this whole bottom wick as a stop. If you come down, re-break that low, off the daily, it sucks. Yo, can you please stop? Bro, come on. It's fucking raining. What are you doing? Get the fuck back inside, bro.
Evangelists making a living on the videos of ribs of the little kids, stereotyping the image of the images, and this is what the image is. You buy a car, key pants, and all of a sudden you are say Indiana Jones. And I thief out the gold and thief out the scrolls and even the bird bones. Some of the worst paparazzis I've ever seen and ever known. With the worst on display so the world can see, and that's all I will ever show.
What are you doing, bro? Scaring all the neighbors. All the neighbors. I gotta get my shit together. I catch the bombs, but I always close early. I've been getting so annoyed at this shit. Yeah, it's the best move has been coming at London, and I'm not staying up that late. Like this, trying to be opening, but it retests the support at London, and I got too much shit to do. Like, I think this 4 hour, like this range got to get retested. Maybe the bottom wick on the next candle, but that's a 4-hour candle, right? So this shit will close at 10 in about an hour. I think Turpy might see that through, and you'll have bottom wick here and buys. You guys might get really lucky here on buys and gold. Maybe the 4 hours got to do what the 4 hours got to do. Remember, the 4-hour support is here, so you know this could have flipped, got all the buyers in here, come back down, fill the range, and then at this area you'll see buys to fill the daily wick. You have a lot of, you have the entire New York session, so if you get the buys off here to come up for London and then the break out of highs for New York, that would make a lot of sense to fill out the daily candle. Hogging that bong. My joint got wet again. Maybe that's part of why I'm annoyed. Alright, 4 minutes here for the 15 to close. See what it do.
The Imperial Skateboard P. Gray Hover. You already know what it is. Come on. Yeah. So what if you flip a couple words? I could triple that in birds. Open your mind, you see the circus in the sky. I'm wrangling brothers, Barnum and Bailey with the pies. No matter how you slice it, I'm your motherfucking guy. And just like a b-boy with 360 waves, do the same with the pot. Still come back beige, whether right or southpaw, whether pot of the jaw, whip it around.
It still comes back hard so easily. Do what? HIP.
My repetition with wrists to bring the kilo business. I got Creole, CO bitches for my niggas who slipped, became prisoners. Treats taped to the visitors. You already know what the business is. Unnecessary commissary, boy, we lit this shit. Niggas wanna bring the 80s back. That's okay with me,
That's where they made me at.
Except I don't write in the war, I write my name in the history books, hustling in the hall. Nah, I don't spin on my head, I spend my work in the pot so I can spend my bread. And I'm getting it, I'm getting it. I ain't talking about it, I'm living it. I'm getting it, straight getting it.
Edmund, what's the deal, brother?
State of mind that I'm in my prime, so for that time I'm Rakim. If it wasn't for the crime that I was in, but I wouldn't be the guy who rhymes it is that I'm in. No pain, no profit. P, I repeat if you show me where the pot is. Cherry M3s with the top back. Red and green G's on my hat.
Yeah, this is trash. What the fuck is this?
Gucci sweater, Gucci sneaks on to keep my outfit together. Whatever, 100 for the diamond chain. Can't you tell that I came from the dope game? Blame Reagan for making me into a monster. Blame Oliver North and I ran Contra. I ran contraband that they sponsored. Before this rhyming stuff, we was in concert. And I'm getting it, I'm getting it. I ain't talking about it, I'm living it. I'm getting it, straight getting it. Get it, boy.
63 pips. Yeah, I don't know about all that. That's crazy. Rebreak at a daily.
Money over broad, you got it. Fuck Bush. Chef, guess what I cooked? Baked a lot of bread and kept it off the books. Rockstar. Look, way before the bars, my picture was getting took.
1 minute here on the 15.
They like whack rappers. Try as they may, they couldn't get me on the hook. DA wanna indict me. Cause fit scales in my veins.
Hey, where else is it gonna go here?
The Pyrex pot roll up my sleeve. Turn one into two like a Siamese twin. When it end, I'ma stand as a man, never dying.
15. Give us a closure.
So let the champagne pop. I party for a while, now I'm back to the block. And I'm getting it, I'm getting it. I ain't talking about it, I'm living it. I'm getting it, straight getting it. Get it, boy. Get it, boy.
Blue Magic. That's a brand name. Like Pepsi, that's a brand name. I stand behind it. I guarantee it. They know that, even if they don't know me any more than they know the chairman of General Mills.
Shit, rebroke highs, came back. Interesting. I have a buy stop right here. Current market. $35. But it'll be current candle stops. Close above here. This would re-break the 15, re-break the 4 hour, re-break the hourly. So break everything, right? If it doesn't, then no harm, no foul. If it just comes back in range, great. It'll be the 30 flipping. But if it re-breaks highs, I'm looking for 23. That's about 20 pips. Didn't have time to close anything, so about 15. Took the rebreak. Yes. Not looking that great. On the 30, the 1 hour's flip back bearish, right? If the 1 hour closes like this, you'd want to, right? You're forming structure down. So even though this was the 4 hour rebreak of the highs, you're forming structure down. So you'd want the next hourly to come down. Right, you have range till 36.12. Retest the lows. We'll delete if it breaks that low. If it re-breaks the previous 15 low, it's 55 pip stop currently. think if we break these highs, we fill the range. And there's a likelihood we come back down, maybe get sells as well. This is good though. If it closes like this, you have an onion. Oh, there you go. Low's broken. Oh, no, not yet. Once it breaks, I'll close this. There you go. So will the 4-hour close bearish? You trade London too? No, I don't. That's what I was saying. That's what kind of really annoying, because the moves have been coming in London. Moves have been coming early in New York too. Right. Plus, I got a long day tomorrow. I had a parent-teacher conference earlier. I gotta go. I promised the middle one I'd put her to bed today, so that's number 2. But it's a good thing because it gives me a reason to go to bed, because tomorrow I have the older one. I gotta go meet like a lot of teachers, and I'm involved, because if I don't get involved, like, no, I gotta be involved. Yeah, so I guess no onion closing here. Wow, that is ugly here. Close no bottom wick, right back. So this might range just the whole time. Look at this shit. I've noticed it does that a lot too, huh? Anybody noticed that it does that? It'll push and just fucking stick to a level. What was I gonna start streaming at 2 minutes? But I think I'm gonna be trading from the time I wake up. I'm just not gonna start stream early because I have so much stuff to do in the morning. It's a lot to get 3 girls like all ready and dressed and lunch and school and drive and hygiene and hair. Hair is crazy. Everybody got their own little attitude. Well, 4 hours gonna close bearish. I got a lot of orders in there on the daily, huh? A lot of people got entered there on the daily. Ain't gonna close, no closure. Guess not. Just gonna fill the range.
Every time I land in London, land of blinking all on my mind. I plan to plan it back after playing a pack show in due time. I'm roundabout, I bought a round of English ale for my pals. The bouncer sold an ounce of rubbish weed to me for like 200 pounds. I think my English getting real bad. Cause this dumb bitch said I'm real bad. No speculative.
Maybe if this 15 can close like this, we can look for celery play here on the break of the lows, but that'll make it make sense off this level. But that previous 15 doesn't have a wick. And as I've said before, I'm not too confident in NQ like this in gold, maybe. I don't like the 5 that's been ranging here heavily. Is it going to start retracing? So much value. Well, to me, it's a lot of value because, like, I get a big understanding when watching this. Oh, hold on a second, chat.
Smoking on that gas, life should be on Cinemax. Movie, bought my boo, bigger tits and a bigger ass.
I think you're on mute.
I smoke strong, that pie. Louis V's in my archives. Black diamonds are part-time. Bread up and my top down. On the block with a block out. Hit your ass with that block out. Dope enough to go in your nostril. I take your girl and kidnap her. Beat her to my mattress. But skeleton in my closet. It's probably when he dead ass rapper. It's probably when he puts ass niggas. Don't try me, I pull that trigger. Got your car note in my car. And your rent in my swisher. That pussy so good I miss you. Head game so vicious. And all I get is cheese. Like I'm taking pictures.
I say fuck you unless I'm with you. If I take you out of the picture, I know real niggas won't miss you. No lie, no lie, no lie, yeah. No lie, no lie, no lie, yeah. Real niggas say word, you ain't never told no lie. You ain't never told no lie. Real niggas say word, you ain't never told no lie. You ain't never told no lie. Real niggas say true, you ain't never told no lie. You ain't never told no lie. That's the thing I don't do. Nah, I just do it for the niggas that are trying to see a million for they die. What up? 2 chains and champagne, you want true, that's true enough. Forbes list like yeah, my office is my tour bus. She came through, she brought food, she got fucked, she knew what's up. She think I'm the realest out, and I say damn, that makes 2 of us. Oh, that look like what's her name? Chances are it is what's her name. Chances are if she was acting up, then I fucked her once and never fucked again. She could have a Grammy, I still treat her ass like a nominee. Just need
Hey, Wix, I think you're muted.
You didn't hear a word I said?
No, I said it once. I said, hey, I think you're muted, but I don't know if you heard me or not. Then I talked to them.
I was just discussing my reasoning for not taking the breaks of the lows here on the 15 and all of that. Damn it. So, yeah, that sucks. The whole point is we didn't have a bottom wick on the previous candle here. Maybe this can make it. And the 30 can then close bearish. We'll actually have a bearish closure here in 2 minutes, and then we can look for a top wick and a break of the lows. Everything else is just so bullish, right? You're at a strong level, though. You're at target, at resistance here. So if we get a 30 closure, maybe we'll come down here on the next candle. That might be the last hurrah. It seems like it's setting up faster than gold, or better than gold. Although this isn't bad. Wait. He said Tupac without a nose ring. This guy compared himself to Tupac. Terrible. Bro, what's wrong with your headset so often? It's a problem with OBS, as far as I understand. Maybe it's the headset. I gotta get a new one, but I got a new mic, and it was a problem in OBS. Damn, there's a level here on the 15. Man, I want to be in buy so bad today. Pretty sure that's what I'm going to look for. I don't think I'm going to sell anything here. 1 minute. It's about a 40 pip stop here on the break of that candle. Oh, that's... yeah. Be the last hurrah.
What it is, folks? This right here is the 16-year-old.
Yeah, it's real annoying. The headset shit, it's very annoying.
Young Carter, harder than the motherboards. I ain't even frontin', baby. I could take a summer off. I could break a woman off. I could take the stomach off one of my trucks. Now I'm riding in the goods. Line it on up. Guarantee you get served. Lil' Chris said running, so I run into.
Alright, I'm gonna have a sell stop here on the break of these lows. Alright, let's see what happens. We're gonna have I'm gonna have my my stops above the previous 30-minute high.
Girl, you
it do, I'm tryna holler at ya. I ain't upset, but I'll blind you if I smile at ya. You're rockin' with young Chris and the best rapper. So leave your phone, bring your friends, let the rest happen. Lil Patron, Lil Hen, I'm on Cavalli vodka. I'm in Cavalli jeans, got on Cavalli boxes. I'm fresher than a newborn, and I can work you out like a futon, and you could leave your birthday suit on. I'ma leave my boots on, I'ma leave my jewels on. Never know what you want, I'ma leave that too long. Never know who home, I learned that from a Biggie song. On to a new one, something like a red bone. Ooh, I think she like me, she got me on a ringtone. And I told her, get your girl, and don't you stunt. Now give me that funk, that gushy stuff, yeah.
We'll wait on the next hour. We'll pull back here. What we gonna do?
Wake up, Terrence. I know you're not asleep. Yeah. Yo, come on, man.
This wick here. I don't know if I like that.
about to kiss this girl, man.
Kiss who? Come on, man. Another wet dream.
Maybe next video, man.
Trip.
It will. 40.
Man. Motherfucker just following a nigga around, dude. That's real. Shit, y'all. Fuck these failed redneck racist motherfuckers. I don't wanna run no more, but I know that if I stop my
Damn, that 5 is gonna close back in range, huh? Drive us down. God damn it. Y'all take any good trades? Nah, only bad trades. Been a mixed bag. I had 2 good trades in the signals, had 1 crappy one here this evening. Didn't give it a second chance, didn't get a bottom wick on the 15 and then it ran. So that wasn't bad. The second chance would have been fire. And then I had 2 lousy trades, but like sample size trades on stream, really small. Oh, holy shit, what the fuck's going on here? Yo, what level were we talking about before? 95? We're only 100 pips away. We were like 200 something pips away. You know what? I don't like it. I'm gonna close it. Don't like it. Our entry was right here off these wicks. Just looking at the 4 hour. So we're bullish today, right? And our entry for the sells was right there. I don't think I want to be a part of that. You see that? That's where the entry would have been.
Right now. We gon' make a toast to the town. Drinks in the air, go shorty. Welcome to my city, see the bright lights. Diamonds on my wrist, bright lights. The fast cars, the hot girls, the nightlife. The blue Yankee to the back, the white knights. Sipping tequila with divas. I can't stand, I'm too drunk. Jesus.
Jesus.
Call me Brooklyn, 'cause they know how I keep it. Brooklyn. Blanco from the Bronx, yo. See me in my ass and I'm moving real slow. Boston Road to die Ave. Y'all niggas are tired for the life I have. I'm the one to make the hardest blow. Nintendo. Smoke endo, then go to party mode. Put your hands up and just go retarded though. Damn, I got the beats to make the ground shake. Earthquake. I do it for the empire, 'cause I've been fire. You ain't never seen a monster like me.
I'm gonna have a buy limit here on gold. Really small stop. Nice buy limit. Pip stop, and I'm gonna try to be awake for this to attempt the same shit if it comes down here past this area. Buy limit got activated. Really? How? Where did you put it? You put it a bit higher? Sneaky, sneaky. What's the stop here? Damn, I got close. This is where it technically should be. Why did you reject that? There's a level here. Yeah, 15 level. I just like the hourly closure. Remember yesterday was, or earlier it was the 4-hour. Over here, this is going to get a lot easier, right? At this level, like when it's coming down here, obviously, you're going to use the 4-hour and just this entire stop here, about 37 pips. Damn, right? The tip of that wick. Is that what you had? Right on the overlap? On the daily? Yeah, that's very nice. Very nice. Good read. What do we got here? Very nice. just want to tap of this area and a pullback, but it's pulling back now. Uh-oh. Remember the song last time? This thing. They took us out with this last time. Turpy, what's up, my man? You might have to take over here, Turpy. Probably, gang, if you guys wanna continue trading, I think Turpy will be on past 10, right?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah. You gotta make this grand back, of course. Got so much stuff to do. This sucks.
Last night, I would say.
Yeah, look at this. How far away were we from it? Oh, we were quite a bit, another 8 pips. It's alright, I think the overall is like the 4-hour here. This will be a good one like this. I'll probably set this overnight with an alert. $38 pip stop here. Oh, no. What are you doing? Whoops. I'm messing around with where the TP would be. Oh, yeah. I let go of the mouse for a second, and this shit just stuck there. I'm like, wait a minute. What the fuck? Sorry, gang. It's been a long day. It's been a long night. My brain is fried. Completely forgot I also had the buy limit on my funded account. Was taking a piss, I remember, so I ran and closed. Yeah, did that ever come down? It did. It broke the lows, look, and came right back up. Would have hit B either. Oh, what the fuck is going on over here? Who's... It's so interesting, right? The daily level. We've spoken about this before too. Insta 40. Is it a sell stop? No, we have a. It's a limit buy at this area. That's sell stop. That was once this gets activated. I was just looking to see where TP would go, and I realized I let go of the sell stop. It got activated. Do we get there now? Do we get there on this 4 hour? Do we get there on the beginning of the next 4 hour? 11 minutes. I don't know. Maybe just taps this area here and comes back up. Enough with the losses. You lost 11K today. Well, I did pretty well today. I had a really good day. Yeah, this limit buy will probably not get activated until London. But I'm gonna leave it here, and I'm gonna have a alert on my phone. If this is the bottom, in these cases, you gotta leave something running, right? It make a lot of sense for the daily to start making its way up from here.
This is why we at. This is why we at. This is why we at. This is why we at.
What's the hourly look like here? Probably terrible based on the 4 hour, right? This shit gone nowhere. It was for dinner. It was like it was a rice and meatball dish. It was a rice and beef meatball type of dish.
Never touch my money, no, my money's dear to me. I'm in the club balling in the VIP booth. Shorty staring at me, call the kid so cute. This is why I'm hot, you know it is the truth. She want to get some loving from a hardcore youth, so she made it very clear to me.
Whisper in my ear to me.
In a soft voice, she said, hi, millionaire to me. Chicks who never dear to me, bringing over beer to me. Girls throwing their underwear over here to me. This is why I'm hot. This is why, this is why, this is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why, this is why, this is why I'm hot.
Hey, yo, Blackout. Yo, you know we gotta kill this beat once and for all. Matter of fact, this how we gonna do it. Light the fuse for them, yo. They got 1 minute to go. Now if you take the sun and multiply.
You ever try tri-tip? What do you mean? Tri-tip what?
I am the reason why crook turn from I light it up, then burn slow on that propane. Yes, I'm a Don, but not the one from Soul Train. Teflon Don, I'm a boss in my own frame. I could flip it if you need it, I got it for real. If you don't see it, then they probably ain't got it for sale.
This fucking thing went nowhere. The hourly's gonna close bearish. The 4 hours gonna close heavy bullish, nice top wick to fill. Ugly. Overnight trade? Yeah, this is gonna stay here. Something like whenever it gets tapped, that's what I'll look for. It's a beef cut from a cow. Okay. Sure I have. Sure I have. Yeah, go to our free Discord. Turpy's gonna be trading and streaming in there. These teachers, man. These teachers. School is hectic. Thank God I don't go to school. Bang. Alright, 40 seconds for this 4 hour. Less than a minute. What's it gonna do? Is it leaving a wick? Man, it would be so amazing if it closes with no bottom wick here, and then the next 4 hour comes straight down. This shit would make so much sense.
Directed by Mazio.
Oh, it's leaving a wick. I mean, which means it should still come down, but the issue is now we're respecting this area. Close above it. 3, 2, 1. Did right. Yeah, there's no sells for me. I'm looking for this to find a support and come up, and it might not. But daily's so heavily bullish until we start closing below the previous daily low. That way, I just don't want to look for sells. Like, this could be a support you hold, start closing above, and then we're coming up, or we could break down here. Wicks, small position. This is stupid stops on such a bullish day. 128 pip stop. That's so not worth it. I just kind of see the market differently. Like, yeah, the top wick sells make sense to me off this area. But this fucking daily can just ride up with no excuse, right? The 4 hour did close bearish. You got that in here. That's already 42 pips. That's so wild. Right on the dot off that line, right? You getting off at 10? Yeah, I'm gonna get off in about 5 minutes. I'm waiting on someone. As soon as I'm given the go, I'll probably get off. I'm gonna have this level here. I'm gonna keep it here. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, they want me to get off of there. Yeah, you could probably starting up. I'm gonna call it here in a few minutes. So I'll be looking for sales. Uh-oh. Stream's down. They blocked me. Alright, gang. I think I'm going to call it here. YouTube blocked me. Turby's about to get on. I'm waiting for someone to finish. I'll be back on the charts in probably like half hour, 20 minutes. Maybe I'll join you guys with Turpy. Have a good night, everyone. Have a good night. Have a good night.
Good night.